video, I'm going to show you how to prevent SQL injection in your code or CMS or application. Uh, Actually, when I search Google for preventing against SQL injection, I found many solutions, but most of the solutions using preferred statements, using video or MySQL or MySQLi, and that will let me, go on every statement on my code and change it like that. And this, it will take too much time, and it's actually a drastic effort to do. So I want to share solution. I don't remember from where I did get it, but it's a very good solution. The solution stands for uh, working recursively on the request array, which holds the data sent from the user. This solution, I found it the best one for that work, actually, because this request array might be a multi-dimensional array, and this is on the most cases of the big application or even medium applications. So working recursively using the function array walk recursive. What I'm doing here actually is I'm checking for that function name. You might have the same name on your CMS. So if you have function existed with the same name, it will not go through these lines of code. Actually, if not, it's okay. It will check for the magic codes, and I think that magic codes is disabled or stopped since PHP 5.4. If it is not, if it's true, it will go stripping the slashes from the values, and actually it is also recursively using the function array walk recursive. And actually, if you check the documentation of this function on php.net, you'll find that you pass the variables and the function name. So here it is all about the magic codes. Now the real work. Actually, our function is called clean here, and what I'm doing is I'm sending this request here, the request array, which is a multi-dimensional array, as I told you, to that clean function. And clean function, taking the value by reference, means that it will return it back using this MySQL real escape string function. It is cleaning that value and return it back as a clean value. And keep in mind that if you're using a MySQLi, you have to change it like that. So this code work on MySQL and MySQLi extension, and you just have to put these lines of code on the top of your application or CMS, and it's going to do the whole magic for you without going through every line of code on your application. This code can help you and save much time. One thing I have to mention, that your SQL strings on all of your pages, make sure that you are quoting the variables sent from the user. It's like that. Your code maybe it will be like that, and you are any SQL string. So it's like that. If you are writing your SQL strings like that, you have to change it by adding codes around your send variable. This one might be, it's a request variable like that, and you name it whatever the name is. So or maybe email like that. So here, coding your variables to protect from escaping those codes. If you code it, you'll protect yourself from escaping, and this code is gonna protect you totally. So I hope you like this solution, and goodbye.
Let it go.